Hey there, welcome to another Edit Video Faster tutorial. My name is Josh Short, and I'm going to be showing you how to create a template sequence in Avid Media Composer. So anytime I have a new sequence, I like it to look pretty much just like all the other ones. And yeah, I'm probably going to add a couple extra audio tracks or a couple extra video tracks depending on what it is, but I at least like to start at the same place every time. So that's why I have a template sequence that I duplicate each time I need a new sequence. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create one of those. So this is my template sequence that I like to use. 6 tracks, 6 video tracks, 2 audio tracks, and also another video track that I've renamed to my name, and that's where I drop all my markers and leave my notes. And also I have this time code effect on here, so my sequence is expanded so I can see it a little better, because Media Composer, it'll only show you where the last frame of video is on a sequence. So I'll just show you. When we go to our bin and we right click and go to New Sequence, we can't see anything in here, and I really don't like that when I start on a project. So let's go ahead and let's get started making our template sequence. Since we already right-clicked and hit New Sequence, let's give it a name. And then just make sure, go ahead and look over here in the record monitor and make sure that we are working on that sequence. Okay, cool. All right, so you might have yours defaulted to maybe 1 video track and 2 audio tracks when you create a new sequence. For some reason, in a setting somewhere, I have it set to give me 5 video tracks and 2 audio tracks in mine. So if you need to create a new audio track for your template sequence, go ahead and hit Command or Control and U, and that'll give you a new audio track. I just want to have my 2, so I'm going to delete this. And if you want a new video track, we're going to need 2 more of those. Go ahead and hit Command or Control Y. And I actually want to make my top video track V20. So if I hold Command, Option, and Y, this guy will pop up. And I know I've showed this in a couple other tutorials. So I'm going to select track 20 and click OK. And now I want to go to track 20 and rename it to my name. Right click, click Rename Track, and I'm going to put my name, or you can put your name or whatever editor's name in there, and go ahead. I like to have all my tracks locked. That's my personal preference, except for I'm going to leave V6 unlocked, and I'll show you why in a moment. So right now, I want to make it so I can see my timeline. And since there's nothing in it, we can't see anything yet. So go ahead and grab a clip from somewhere. It doesn't even need to be online. Select an in and an out. And let's paste it in. Oops. There we go. And now if we hold Command or Control and 8, we will bring up the effect palette. And go ahead and find Generator and get the time code burn in. We're going to take that and we're going to drop it onto V6. Let's close the effect palette. And we can get rid of this. And let's go into trim mode, have V6 selected. So let's hit U. And we can drag this out. Drag it out some more. All right, get out of trim mode. Maybe let's add a little more time. All right, so this is my template sequence. Pretty much, I'm going to want this whenever I create a new sequence, and now that it's made once, I can just go and find this bin in another project. So you go File, Open Bin, and then navigate to this project, your template project that you're already in. Open this bin up, duplicate that sequence, move it into your new sequence, and you'll be all set and ready to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I use template sequence all the time, and I mean, even if it only shaves me, 20 to 30 seconds off of my workday, I mean, doing this, 100 times over the course of a year, that's going to add up. So little things like this, these tips that I love, and I share a lot more tips and all that over on my site, editvideofaster.com. Especially if you're a media composer editor, check on out my Mastering Media Composer series over here. Chock full of information, and I'm pretty sure you will enjoy it. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you soon with a new tutorial.